Earthquakes don't kill people. Bad design does. The ground shaking is not the real danger. Weak structures are. So how do engineers design buildings that survive violent shaking? Why don't all buildings collapse when the earth moves? The answer is not luck. It's engineering. During an earthquake, the ground doesn't just move up and down. It moves sideways. This sideways motion creates horizontal forces inside a building. Buildings are normally designed to carry vertical loads, weight of floors, walls, furniture, people. But earthquakes introduce a different type of force. Lateral force. This force pushes the structure back and forth. If a building cannot resist this movement, it can collapse. When seismic forces enter a building, they travel through a specific path. From the roof and slabs, to the beams, to the columns, and finally to the foundation. Engineers carefully design this load path, because if forces cannot travel safely through the structure, weak points form and failure begins. A continuous load path is critical for survival. Here's something surprising. Buildings are not designed to be completely rigid. They're designed to move. A rigid structure can crack suddenly, but a flexible structure can absorb movement. This controlled flexibility prevents sudden collapse. Instead of resisting every force, the building sways slightly. That movement reduces stress concentration and protects the structure. Modern earthquake-resistant buildings use special systems. Shear walls. Thick, reinforced concrete walls that resist sideways motion. Bracet frames, diagonal steel members that add stability. Moment-resistant frames. Strong beam column connections that allow controlled bending. These systems absorb and redistribute energy. This process is called energy dissipation. Instead of breaking, the structure spreads the force across the building, and that saves lives. Earthquake design is not about making buildings unbreakable. It is about preventing total collapse. Some cracks may appear, some damage may occur, but the goal is simple. Protect human life. Design ensures people can evacuate safely. That is the priority. So when the ground shakes violently and the building stays standing, remember, it's not luck, it's structural engineering. And good design is the reason buildings survive.